Good morning, madam and my fellow friends. We are from group 3 and these are my group members. The abstract is about the major distinction between electrical and electronic device is that electrical device transform electrical energy into various forms of energy, whereas electronic device regulate the flow of electrons to execute a specific task. The objective of a power supply is to power the load with the proper voltage and current. We are defined that the burnout causes are overcurrent, high resistance connections, and damage or wrongly installed wiring. The recommended installing an overcurrent protection device using mapping circuit and also parallel circuit to prevent the socket burning happen.
Hi, my name is FERN from BTMI Section 1. For introduction, electricity is a form of energy involving the flow of electrons, and electric current is a portion of electric that have positive charge and negative charge. Nowadays, electricity is the lifeblood of many modern technology because it energizes equipment with using electric current. Electronics deal with electrical circuits that involve active electrical components. The ability of the electronic device is operate as switch enable the processing of digital information.
Good morning, doctor. My name is Untitled and I will present the objective part. There are 3 objectives on doing this assignment. First is the ability to describe the concept and differentiate the various functions of electrical circuits. Next is presenting theory and elaborating the application of electrical and electronic. And the last one is working efficiently as a group in information gathering for providing solutions to simple electrical circuit problems.
So next I'm going to talk about is the literature review. It is to appraise the ability of research to describe and explain concept and differentiate the various functions of electrical circuits. It is also to examine the ability of research to present clearly and elaborate the applications of electrical and electronic that operated with a DC power supply and an AC power supply, plus make sure the researchers work effectively as a group in information gathering for providing solutions to simple electrical circuit problem. It is also to study and examine the potential of researcher to provide a creative solution to avoid the technical problem.
For differentiating between electrical and electronic device part, electrical device is transform electrical energy into various types of energy such as heat, light, or sound, where electronic device control the flow of electrons to complete tasks. Electrical devices employ copper and aluminum wire to conduct electrical current, where electronic devices use semiconductor material like silicon and germanium. Electricity is used to power machine in an electric circuit. An electronic circuit, on the other hand, can read a signal or an instruction and perform a task that is appropriate for situation. For example, a microwave frequently beeps when it finishes cooking to alert the user that his meal is ready.
Hi doctor, my name is JING. I would like to present about direct power supply. Direct current is used by electrical equipment such as battery, solar energy, fuel cells, and alternator rather than alternating current. One benefit of DC power supplies over AC power supplies is that they can distribute voltage to electrical devices evenly. A solar photovoltaic is an example of DC power supply. Photovoltaic energy is created by converting sunlight into electricity using a photovoltaic cell, also known as a solar cell. To provide the necessary power, the arrays must be capable for producing adequate current and voltage to power the appliance, and they can be linked in series and parallel to provide the requisite voltage and current respectively. Photovoltaic cells like batteries provide direct current DC, which is often utilized for low power loads electronic equipment. When direct current DC from a solar cell is utilized for commercial purpose of supply to electric utilized via the electric grid, it must be converted to alternating current AC using inverter, which are solid-state devices that convert DC to AC. So next part is answer E about AC.
Next example for AC power supply is washing machine. The basic form of power delivered by the grid to household and business is alternating current. The first power supply is connected to the first secondary winding of the step-down transformer to convert the first reducer's AC voltage to the first DC voltage and provide the first DC voltage to the control device. The second power supply is connected to the step-down transformer of the second winding. The power supply system is composed of a transformer with a main winding to control the door drive and AC road drive.
So next I'm going to talk about is the solution to the problem. So the reasons that cause the burns, one of it is short circuit. The current flows along the wrong or unexpected path with little resistance. It can cause serious damage, fire, and even minor explosions. Other than that, is high-risk connection. It occurs when traditional electrical supplies and switchgear have loose or faulty connections, causing heat to build up and potentially ignite a fire.
These are some of the solutions to solve the problem. By installing circuit breakers in a circuit for open current protection, also known as an open current protection device, to address the problem of open current, magnetic circuit breakers, thermal circuit breakers, and thermomagnetic circuit breakers are the three types of circuit breakers available. Secondly is mapping circuit. Preventing electrical circuit overload is knowing which circuit power which device. After mapping the basic circuit layout, you can calculate the safety load ratings for each circuit to get an idea of how many things you can operate in the circuit. Thirdly is parallel circuit. A parallel circuit is a circuit in which at least two independent paths return to the source in the circuit. In a parallel circuit, circuit flows in a closed path instead of an open path. Parallel circuits, as the name implies, are circuits in which the components are aligned parallel to one another to provide a connection that uniformly distributes power. It has the ability to maintain a constant voltage.
My name is MIAN. Now I would like to make a conclusion. In conclusion, as we all know already, circuits are fundamental ideas with real-world implication in our everyday life. However, it is important to understand the hazard and potential causes of electrical fire in order to understand how to prevent them. In an electric power system, overcurrent or excess current is a situation where a larger than intended electric current exists through a conductor, leading to excessive generation of heat and the risk of fire or damage to equipment. Possible causes for overcurrent include short circuit, excessive load, incorrect design, and a fault or a ground fault. Electricity is not something to mess about with, and when a problem emerges, it is also not something to dismiss. Electrical problems go unaddressed every year, resulting in thousands of residential fires and hundreds of civilian fatalities. As a result, solution is given to solve all these electricity problems. Thank you.